Hello, good afternoon. This is David Sutter talking to you, and today is my free daily signal for Monday, January 13th, 2020. Okay, and the signal I'm going to share with you is one of my favorites. This is Euro GBP. Okay, Euro versus Great British Pound, and if we look here on the chart, we see that we have a strong signal to sell. Okay, according to the 1 hour and even 30-minute chart. Okay, and if you look here on a 30-minute chart, this has not repainted. Okay, I know people ask me all the time, does my indicator repaint? And yes, it does repaint sometimes, but the vast majority of the time it does not repaint. Okay, so I just want to kind of point that out. And does this mean that it's not going to go up anymore? Well, it possibly could, but as of right now, it seems to be holding. We notice that this candle right here, where this arrow is, formed a doji candle, which is a cross, and that typically means there's going to be a reversal because the bulls and the bears are undecided at that point. Okay, but it's not always, because like here we had a doji candle and there was no reversal, so you cannot always go by the doji candles. Okay, here we had a doji candle as perfect cross, and it did go up but then came back down again. So anyhow, does this mean it's going to be dropping? I think so. Okay, so anyhow, what I would do, here's how I would trade this in this case. All right, I will come over here to Fibonacci retracement, go down here to the last arrow, okay, the last candle, last colored arrow, which is the blue arrow, and start and draw up to the top of this candle right here. Okay, and if we notice right here, look at this. This 23.6 level formed a perfect support level for these candles right in here. Okay, all right, so as of right now, that's a support. Now if that support is broken, it'll become a resistance. Okay, so we notice right here there was a support resistance right here that was broken. Support resistance. Okay, so all these different levels, we had the resistance here that was broken, resistance here that was broken. Okay, so that's how the market is structured using this Fibonacci tool. Okay, so what's going to happen is the price could go up even further. We don't know at this point, but if the price drops and goes below this 23.6, then it's going to drop and go down to the next level like an elevator. Okay, and then it could potentially bounce back up and keep going up. We don't know at this point, but to be safe, what I like to do is put a sell stop pin and order just below this 23.6 level and a take profit just above this 38.2. Okay, so all you have to do is go right here and click on new order, change this from market execution to pin and order, and then choose sell stop. Sorry, and for the at price right here, just choose, we're going to figure out something here. It don't have to be perfect, just 0.8520. I don't know. I can always readjust it. I'm going to choose that for right now. And a take profit, I'm going to put it at 0.85450. Okay, and we'll see how that looks. Okay, that looks pretty good right there. Okay, so I got a sell stop pin and order just a little ways below. Okay, and I take profit a little ways above. Okay, that's 70 pips. Okay, $90 of profit. So it's not too bad. Okay, so you could also put another sell stop pin and order below this 38.2 or take profit here. But for right now, I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay, if this closes, then I could place another. All right, I don't want to put too many of these because I don't know the future. Okay, if this decides to go back up, then I could have put a buy stop here. I could also put a buy stop above here, because eventually this is going to go up no matter what. Because if you look at the daily, okay, look at the daily chart, has an up arrow, and it's been fighting to go into the uptrend for a long time. But now this EURGBP is an excellent pair to scalp, because both the Euro and the GBP follow similar patterns. All right. Usually when they're going against like Euro USD, Pound USD, Pound AUD, Euro AUD, they always follow the same trend, the same patterns. But when you put Euro and GBP together, they conflict to one another. Okay, so they form a lot of range of markets. So these are excellent to scalp, and that's, you know, if you're gonna scalp this pair. So anyhow, this is my free daily signal for today. EURGBP is a sell. Place a pin in order. Place a pin and sell stop order. That is my recommendation. Let me know if you have any questions about how to trade this or any of my other signals. Okay, I post around about 10 signals every single day in my Telegram signal group, and you know, so far they're all working like gangbusters. So just let me know if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to help you. There's a link below in the description of the video for my personal Facebook. Also, there is a link for my private Facebook group. If you have not joined my Facebook group, please do so that way you can post any questions or comments in my Facebook group. And this way myself or other traders can assist you, and we can all collaborate as a team, okay? That is my goal by having this group. So with that said, let me know if I can help you. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.